Okay, my name is Moose Mahoney, and this is my dog Quito. Quito is going to tell you who will be the next governor of California. Okay, Quito, if you catch this bone, it means I'm going to be the next governor of California. Okay, here we go. Alright, take it. Okay, now Quito is going to bring me the bone back, and we're going to try it again. Alright, Quito, bring me the bone. Okay, here we go. Alright, now, I, Moose Mahoney, I'm going to throw this bone to Quito. Quito, if you catch this bone, it means I'm going to be the next governor of California. Oh, there you go. Okay, we're going to have to do 2 out of 3. One says I'm governor, one says I'm not. Okay, this is the last one. This is where Quito, let it go, let it go, let it go. Come on, let it go. Alright, let me have it. Okay. Alright, here's the one where Quito tells us I'm going to be the next governor of California. Quito, if you catch this, that means I, Moose Mahoney, will be the next governor of California. Oh, that's it. There you have it. The dog knows. He's the most beautiful dog in the world.